We are going to set up the home page of this website in this quick video. So under Pages, go to Home. And from here, we're going to change the image and remove some of the layout blocks. So first off, just click on the image here to replace it. We're going to open up the media library, add new, the letter image, insert that, and then scroll down here. We're just going to update that one word. Okay, and then we're going to replace the text here. So instead of Art Portfolio, we're going to change that text to be Learn More. So remove the link, select the text, and then select the link again. And now we're going to add in the blog page. So just type blog, and it will take you directly to that. So here we are going to change these headings. And we're going to just delete this next block here. So you can right click on these blocks, and if you click around, you can usually select the outermost layer. So here I've got those both blocks in, and then I'm going to scroll down to delete and delete these extra spaces as well here. And then we have some footer content, or almost footer content. Add a little more text here in this area, and a call to action. And so we'll put in the same email address and link to it. So that's contact at and we will leave the hours as is and save. Please post in Discord if you had any trouble with this, and also I have a link to my finished site at the bottom of this exercise.